Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Digital Dasia. Here I'm going to show you how I got the viral Cassie braided hairstyle using a half wig from WeQueen Hair. It was so simple and effortless, and you can do this look at home as well. So let's get started. I actually went to go get the side of my hair braided from an African braiding shop that my family is really close to. So she charged me $60 to braid the side of my head. Now I know some of y'all might think that's ridiculous, but it does take a lot of art and craft to go into the hairstyle. So I didn't mind because there's people in my area charging $100. So as y'all saw, I went straight into doing my anchor braids, and as you can see, I was super lazy with this braid down style just because it is a half wig and the hair is very full, so I can kind of get away with my braid pattern. You can do whatever you want under your wig. You could probably just throw your hair in a ponytail and it would be okay. Knowing that this style would last me about 2 weeks, I just said, hey, let's throw some two little plaits in this head. Every song that I made, ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade. From the cradle to the grave, hey. Gordo got me on a wave, and got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave, you niggas better behave. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best, cause you know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get, you know how sticky it get, you know how sticky it get. Y'all, what can a half wig do? This half wig is from WeQueen Hair. This is their Burmese curly that I've actually had for months. I love their invisible hairline, so I don't have to have any of my natural hair out. And the 4 combs and the drawstring make it very secure. As you can see, I'm just flopping it on my head. Essentially, I'm just turning the wig to the side instead of wearing it to the front. And like I said, I pulled the drawstring to make sure it's nice and tight. And that thing was on there. I'm talking about in it. The toughest actor follows back on tour. Off-road, made back, Pyrex, trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn, that's something to me, niggas. So now it's time for the styling of the hair. I spray my hair with the Garnier Fructis Heat Protectant Spray, and I start off with my edges just because I cannot wait to get those fluffy edges on the side. While doing my fluffy edges, I curl inwards and then I also curl outwards just to kind of give it like that messy look, and then I go on with my edge control to lay it down. Talk about the best, cause you know how sticky it get. 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 She want me to play with that cat. The top feels so much better than the bottom. So much better. Alright, now it's time to blow dry my hair. So I'm using my Amika blow dryer, and this is my favorite blow dryer of all time. I swear by this, I've been having it for years and it's never done me wrong. Since this is my first time putting real heat to this hair, I was a little bit scared because I'm like, I hope this hair is real. And it did a pretty okay job. I think the hair is just meant to be curly, but I will fry dye and lay a hair to the side if I need to for a hairstyle. You know the kid ain't going for all that bullshit. Try and stick me, I'm a little for full clip. It ain't my fault you done fucked up your re-up. At the dice game, who told you put a G up? Everybody, man. Now it's time for the flat ironing and curling. So I started off by just curling the hair straight after blow drying. You'll kind of see when I did that, the hair was still a little poofy. And I was getting scared because I'm like, oh no, this hair is not laying. The curl was really nice, but you see it was kind of poofy. So what did I do? Boom. I decided to start pressing out the hair with the curling iron. And that wasn't quite working for me too. I don't know what was going on. So I resorted to getting my flat iron and pressing the hair straight first. And then I went in and curled my hair with the curling iron. Mind you, my curling iron's a little bit broken, but it still gets the job done. And I love the curls it produces. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a big difference within the curls when I flat ironed it first.
Might buy you crisp, but that about it. Might light your wrist, but that about it. Fuck it, I might wipe you and buy your nice whips. Mom, but you really gotta ride nice dick. Know how to work your hips and your head's priceless. Professional of the whole, and I never let you down. Get you bling like the Neptune sound. Okay, hot hole, too hot to hold. Ladies love me long time like Tupac soul. Only way to roll, jiggering two ladies, too cold. Motorola, two-way page. Come on.
As I reach the top of my head, I make sure that I curl my hair backwards so that the curls are falling in front of my face, but they're also swooping back. That is my favorite method. Like I said, I did not have to leave any hair out, and you cannot see like a harsh demarcation of a hairline. It simply looks like a quick weave. Now, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I got a little nervous because the hair started poofing up as I was curling, so I did have to go back in and touch up a few pieces. But honestly, throughout the days, after a little bit of oil and some flexi rods, the curls hold perfectly fine with no frizz. After I finished curling the hair, I took a Y2 comb and grab, boom, we are done, baby. I love this hairstyle. I love a mean side part on me. And this Cassie hairstyle is so cute. It fits for all ages. I don't care what nobody say. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.